Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Toyota Camry, 2002 to 2006? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your Toyota's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006, the passenger compartment fuse box protects critical systems like the ABS, engine control, cruise control, power windows, SRS airbags, and climate control modules, ensuring dependable and efficient operation. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006 manages high-amp fuses that protect major systems like the alternator, charging circuit, ABS/vehicle stability modules, fuel injection, headlamps, AC and power outlets. The additional fuse box in the Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006 handles a 7.5 ampere fuse, a BS number 4, that protects the anti-lock braking, vehicle skid control, traction control, and brake assist systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, Micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.